If you want to change DPI settings on Motorola Edge 70, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to simply go to Settings, open Display, and then in here we have the display size and text. And over here we can adjust the DPI by moving left and right on this slider where we have display size to make everything bigger or smaller, of course. And besides that, what you can also do is you can go to About Phone, and in here we're gonna proceed to Device Identifiers, and you need to keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password. Once you enter the screen lock password, you will see this information that you are now a developer. So after that we can go back and open the system settings, and then in system settings we have developer options. Now in here, if we're gonna scroll down quite a bit actually, eventually we should be able to find the smallest width option, and in here we can enter a value. So the smaller the value is, the bigger the UI elements will be, everything on the screen will be bigger. So for example, if I type 300, I believe the limit is actually 320, but let's tap OK. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, everything is bigger and we have 320. And we can also enter bigger numbers in order to make everything smaller. But also you have to be careful with these numbers, because if you enter like a really huge number, you might mess things up and it might be really difficult to revert these changes. So let's switch to 600, let's tap OK. And as you can see, everything is actually really small, much smaller than we would be able to get by changing options in display settings. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.